Got one. Got one, guys. Got one. Got one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, boys. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, man, he's pulling. He is pulling. Strong smallmouth. Strong smallmouth. Nice one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Dad. You can't hear me. Oh, boys. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Got one. Can you bring the net? Bring the net. Bring the net. Easy, buddy. Easy, buddy. Oh, easy, buddy. Ready? Let's go.
A big one.
Yeah. He was right there. Oh, just barely. Well, guys, first smallmouth of the night. That's gonna end it for this video, guys. We definitely did not catch as many as the other night, but we at least caught one nice one, and hey, we didn't get skunked. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. See you later.